Okay guys, I got a 2025 Kia Telluride. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. You're going to go in here, move these little pieces clockwise, and then you can get them removed. Just pull them out. Down here, you're going to pop out this little piece. That drops that down. So that is the door. There's two tabs. So you're gonna pop them down like that and then pull it out, and then that is your cabin air filter right there. Just get that removed. So we pull it out. This is what it looks like. Pretty dirty, so we're gonna have to replace this. And I'll link one in the description. An Amazon one. That's not going to cost you that much, probably about 10 bucks, and cost you a lot less than getting it done at the dealership. So again, you come down here, you pull these down, pop that up, and the cabin air filter is right there. And then to put it back in, just make sure these arrows are pointing down. So hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.